Serbia now has been starting another parallel way to destabilize Kosovo and to create more chaos in the way that some hard work of more than 10 years, say since 2008 onwards, has been derailed. And what I'm talking about is the fact that Kosovo Serbs did go to elections in the past. Kosovo Serbs did take part in executive power, and now that very hard work is challenged and maybe undone, and everything what is happening now simply destabilizes Kosovo achievements since 2008. And unfortunately, the fact that court has issued its first judgment, and the fact that Kosovo Albanian side cooperated with the court and is supporting it still, despite its shortcomings, absolutely cannot compensate for many open political questions that Serbia every time puts on table. And why? Because Serbia never gave up the territory of Kosovo. And Serbia at least will try to use and abuse every political situation to request or demand at least Northern Kosovo and Association of Serb Communities to be actually united with the Serbia proper.